Samsung has been keeping the best 200-megapixel sensor exclusive for their Galaxy S23 Ultra, and according to the ICE universe, this new 200-megapixel sensor on the S23 Ultra has a dramatic improvement in night mode performance. The sensor is pumping out sharper, brighter, more detailed low-light images, while taking less night mode processing time compared to the S22 Ultra. Now this sensor can actually take 50-megapixel images as well, but currently Samsung hasn't unlocked it yet, so they're working on the software side of the things. With the official release, they might unlock all three options for users, meaning you will be able to take 12-megapixel images or 50-megapixel images, which is going to be excellent balance of quality and image size, and or you can go all the way and take high-quality 200-megapixel images in bright environments. It has been somewhat clear now that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will mostly retain the same zoom cameras as its predecessor, a 3x and a 10x periscope, so we mostly expected similar image quality, but according to popular tipster ICE universe, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will shoot much better telephoto images, citing improvements in color and some algorithms. He believes Samsung has made strides in image quality. Earlier he made similar claims about the Galaxy S23 Ultra's new 200-megapixel wide camera. Sensor size and readout speed are big contributors to image quality, but computational photography is where the biggest gains have been made in recent years. Potentially earlier rumors suggest that we might get a censorship stabilization in Galaxy S23 Ultra. Outside of the new 200-megapixel main camera, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will rely on the same on-paper ultra-wide 3x and 10x zoom cameras as the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is itself had mostly identical hardware to the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's a winning Formula 1 that gives users multiple zoom levels and covers the wide and ultra-wide with autofocusing sensors. Now another aspect where the S23 Ultra will bring improvements is the cinematic mode. Even though the S22 Ultra offers cinematic mode, it's not at the same level as the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So rest assured we will see a massive improvement to the cinematic mode or the portrait video, I must say. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will launch with One UI 5 Android 13, and Samsung is already rolling out the final software. The Galaxy S23 Ultra may look the same as the S22 Ultra when it comes to the design, but it will be a completely different based on the inside, from camera, to the chip, to the efficiency, to the battery. Samsung is giving their all. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.